Welcome students, here it is the question number 2 of exercise 5.1. The shoppers who came to a departmental store are marked as man M, W, for woman boy, that is for B, and girl G. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour. So here the number of boys, girls, women are given who came to that departmental store, like W for women, W women, girl, boy. So that list is given. You need to make a frequency distribution table using the tally mark. So here in the solution, first you will make that table. Here you are given the shoppers. So here I have written shoppers, tally marks I have written, and frequency. Frequency means the number of woman, man, boy and girls that will come under the frequency. Now here, if you are going to represent it in the frequency table, it's better to mark one tally marks from here, and you need to cut it with the help of pencil in your book, so that you will not going to be confused in that which value is represented and which is not represented. For example, here W I am going to cut it, and W here I am going to make one tally mark. Again W, 2W, again I had 2. So here I have represented the 3 values here. Now G is there, so I am going to cut, and in the G section I am going to draw one tally mark. Again B, so here I am going to draw one tally marks in B. Now 2W is there, 1, 2, so 1, and if it is 4, so all of you know that if after that you need to cut it for the 5th. Now M is there, so M, and here it is M. Now 1, 2G is there, so here 1, 2G. Now 2M are there, so 2, so 1, 2. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 W are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again G, so cut the G, and here it is G. Now B is there, so B, and here you will represent B. Now M is there, so cut the M, and here you will represent M. Now W, so cut the W, and here it is already 4 in the W, so for the 5th you will cut it. Now B is there, so cut the B, and in the B section you will mark it. Now 2G are there, so cut the 2G, and here in the G section it is already 4, so for the 5th this one, and next that is the 2nd. Now M, so cut the M here, and here you will represent the M. Here already 4 is there, so for the 5th you will cut it. Now 2W are there, 1, 2, so here 1, 2. Now M, 2M are there, so 1, 2, and in the M section 1, 2. Now again here it is 2W, 1, 2, and here you will represent 1, 2. Now again 1W is there, so cut it here like this. Now M, so cut the M, and here you will represent 1 M. Now again W is there, so W, and here you will represent W. Now B is there, so cut the B, and in the B you need to represent it. Now W, so cut the W, and here you will in the W section you will represent W. Now G is there, so cut the G, and here you will represent G. Now M, so cut the M, and here you will represent M. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 W are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now G is there, so cut the G, and in the G section you will mark one tally mark. Now W, so cut the, and here you will represent W. Now 2M are there, 1, 2, so in the 1, 2. Now 2W are there, 1, 2, so here 1, 2. Now M is there, so cut the M, and here you will represent M. Now 1W is there, so cut that, and here again you will cut it like this. Now G is there, so G, and here in the G section you will represent one more tally mark. Now W, so cut the W, and here you will represent W. Now M is there, so cut the M, and in the M section you will mark one tally mark. Now G is there, so cut the G, and in the G section here already 4, so that is for the 5th. Now W, so cut the W, and here you will represent W. Now 2M are there, 1, 2, so in the M 1, 2. Now B is here, so cut the B, and here you will represent B. That is 4 is already there, for the 5th you will cut. Now 2G are there, so 2G, and here it is 1, 2. Now W is here, so cut the W, and here in the W section you will represent W. So here I had represented all the value with the help of tally marks. Now you need to write the frequency. So here it is 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 20, 25, 3, 28. So number of women who visited that shop are 28. Now number of men 5, 5, 10, 5, 15. So 15 men who visited the shop. Here boy, that are 5, and in the girls 5, 5, 10 to 12. So that is the representation of the given data in the frequency table. So students, if you are going to apply that way, there will be no any mistake. If you are going to cut the one value from with the help of pencil in your book, and after that you are going to represent the tally marks, if you are going to follow this way, there will be no any chances of the mistake. Some of the times if you are not going to cut, one value is represented 2 times, any value may be left. So here you need to apply that way. Now make a frequency distribution table. So here it is the frequency distribution table. Now it is asked that draw a bar graph to illustrate it. So students, here I am going to explain how you will draw the bar graph, and I will send you a image also of the graph on which I had drawn on the graph sheet. So here I am going to explain how it will be drawn, and I will send you an image from where you will get that on the graph how you will draw it. So on the graph, you need to take a graph and you need to draw the y-axis and x-axis like this, and after that frequency will be represented on the y-axis. So here you will write frequency, and shoppers will be represented on the x-axis. So here you will write shoppers, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 types of shoppers are there. And what is the highest value in the frequency? 28. So I will take the difference of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So students, you will take the interval of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and highest value is 28, so it will be represented up to 30. Now on the graph you will get the one dark line. On that dark line you will represent this. Now here number of women are 28. So here you will leave the 1 centimeter space, that is one dark line space, and from here 28. So on the graph you will get up to here 25. Then 28 will be, if it is like this, it is the middle one, so it will be 27.5. so just above this you will get the 28. So here it is 28, and it is women. Now men 15. So 15 is here. So next again you will leave the space, and here you will make for the men up to 15. So here it is 15. Now number of boys are 5. So you will represent here. Again you will leave the space, and here up to 5. That is the number of boys. And number of girls are 12. So here it is 10. So just above that you will get the 12. 4 columns, 4 small lines above you will get the 12. So here it is number of girls. So you will make that bar graph on the graph paper. So I will give you that image also where I had drawn it on the graph sheet. So it is the complete solution of the question number 2nd. So that you need to draw in your graph sheet copy, and you need to draw on the graph sheet, and in your CW copy you need to paste that graph sheet just below that table, just after that table. So that is going to be completed the question number 2nd.